There is a really strong energy of them wanting to communicate with you. And I know you want to communicate with them, but both of you are having the same energy of being worried to communicate with each other, to reach out, because you both have got this feeling like, well, what's the point? Because we've done it before, right? You've broken it before, you've got back together before, you've talked about things, how things are going to work out, and you've both done this, and it's both been a case of it not working out. So you're both feeling like you want to talk to each other, but what's the point? It's coming through that you are meant to be together, but there is an energy of things needing to be fixed in this connection. This is going to take actual physical work to fix the things that just keep going wrong every time, because it's the same thing that keeps going wrong. There's a lot of repetitive behavior that's coming out in the cards, but I do see the wish fulfillment and I do see it working out, but you are going to have to put a lot of work in to get it to work out. So basically they are acting like they don't care. They are showing you they don't care, right? And they're doing that on purpose, but they do care. They do care. They are thinking about you all the time. They are wanting to be with you. But there is just this overwhelming energy of, one, well, what's the point? And two, because I think actually they doubt themselves that they'll mess up again, honestly. I put all the cards back together and thought, let me just see what comes out to verify it. And it is the Four of Wands. This is the only twin flame card in the whole of the tarot deck. So you are a twin flame connection. And the thing is about twin flames, they're very karmic. I mean, this is a fantastic card in of itself. It talks about a proposal. It talks about marriage. It talks about happiness, stability, security. So I got cat hairs all over me where I was just holding the cat. And all of those beautiful things are there. But there is the pull of the twin flame karmic connection. And that can be a bit of a pain to sort out. I'm going to pull a couple of cards from this deck. Let's see what this deck is saying. And Lalath Grace from which of the British. Oh, shut up. I knew it. See, this is what I'm saying. You two are meant to be together. This is love, romance. This is soulmate energy. See, when you've just got the twin flame energy, you need to be careful, right? Because that could be just a karmic. It's not meant, it means you're meant to learn from the relationship, but it doesn't mean that you're meant to progress in the relationship itself. The soulmate connection does. It means that you are meant to be together. Might not be in this lifetime though, if you can't get it sorted out. But this is the sort. Look at how much you love to each other, and you're making your honor to the sky, to the ether, and you're saying, I love this person and I want to be with this person. And this is the pact that you made in your other world, okay? Someone has a ring light, by the way. I know that that's the moon, but they're showing me as a ring light. I've never seen that before. And someone takes videos and makes video content. This is you in another world, in another life, when you were with your soul family saying, we will meet you in this life and the next and the next. I will come and find you, okay? In the most beautiful way possible. And this is an oath that you've made. So if you don't sort it out in this life, you'll sort it out in your next life. And if not in your next life, the life after that. But you two are meant to be together.